So I came to Harbor Freight because I need some 3-inch casters for a project. And 3-inch casters cost $5.99. Well, there's a little hack at Harbor Freight you can do to get casters a little bit cheaper. These are pretty heavy duty, which is what I need. But if you don't need such heavy duty ones, because these are 330 pound load, working load, you can actually just come over here to the dolly section. For $12.99, you can get a dolly that's got 4 3-inch casters on it for 1,000 pound total, so they're $2.50 a piece. As you can see, compared to these that are $5.99, they're a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller. The bearings aren't as good, and the metal's not as thick, but this is 330 and this is about $2.50 according to this, where it says 1,000 pound working load. So if you don't need this heavy duty of one, you can definitely get away with buying one of these, disassembling it, and you get 4 for about $3 a piece. So that's a little Harbor Freight hack that a lot of crafters and a lot of woodworkers use. So they also have other ones over here that are more expensive, but it just makes more sense to buy these at that point. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.